Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you've been watching and wondering, should I subscribe? Yes, you should subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Mr. Belle Kitchen have a lot of videos on how to cook in the Power XL. As you know, today I will be cooking in this Power XL today. Today I'll be doing something different. As you know, I go down the list and everything. I haven't been cooking enough breakfast food. I've been going down that list and seeing a lot of breakfast food is on how do you cook in a Power XL. So today, I'll be cooking some old-fashioned oatmeal in the Power XL. I know they have instant oatmeal. You can do it in the microwave and everything. But today, Mr. Bell, he want to do it in the Power XL. See if you can get that real good taste. It's nothing like old-fashioned oatmeal. So today, I'll be using 4 cups of water. I'll be using a little milk. After it get done, you can use any kind of milk you want to use, but I'm using just regular milk. I'll be using a little sugar to put on top, and I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Today, on top of my oatmeal, I'll be using a banana. You can use any kind of fruit you want in your oatmeal or whatever you want to put in it, or either you can just eat it regular, just like that. But today, I'll be using a little banana in my oatmeal. So, and you know, I can't cook oatmeal with this top on. For all my first time watchers and wondering how you get the top off, it's very easy. Just raise it up and lift it up just like that. And I'm gonna put it to the side. And everything. So today I'm gonna start setting this Power XL so this water can get hot. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on Sauté. Hit my temperature, I'm gonna set it for temperature gonna be 375. And I'm go to minutes. I'm gonna set the minutes. I'm gonna start the minutes with 30 minutes. Set it for 30 minutes and let that water get nice and hot. Press start and let it get nice, good and hot. I'm gonna put my 4 cups of water in just like this. Let it get nice, good and hot. And I'll be using 2 cups of oatmeal once this water get hot. And for all my viewer watchers already know, my first time viewers, you know, Mr. Bell, you wash your dishes as you go cook. While it's cooking, you could be washing all the dishes. Don't save it for your spouse. Don't save it for your kids. Don't save it for your friends. Because they might say they don't want to eat because they're afraid they're going to have to do the dishes. So wash the dishes so everybody can enjoy the food. Okay, as you see, the water's, you know, Mr. Bell like take you step by step. The water's boiling nice and good. I'm going to put that little salt in, just put it in there, just mix it up just like that. And everything. Now I'm going to tell you, this oatmeal going to be so good. It's better than buying that instant oatmeal, putting it in the microwave. Plus your kids can cook in this Power XL. You don't have to worry about them cooking on the gas stove. You could be away from home while they cooking and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put, this is a fresh box of Quaker Oats. So I'm gonna get me 2 cups out of here. As you see, I just open it up. Get me 2 nice good cups, plus oatmeal is healthy for you. And I'm gonna just sprinkle this first cup just like this all over. Just like that. And then just cook. And I'm gonna get another cup. Like I say, I'm putting 2 cups in. We're gonna see how this work out in the Power XL. This is my first time cooking this in the Power XL, so we doing this together. Just like that. Put this right here to the side. Just like that. Cook just like that. And I'm just gonna stir this up just like this. And let it just cook. And I'm gonna tell you, once you put that oatmeal in there, it had the whole house smelling good. I can smell it already, and I just put it in. And I'm gonna just stir it just like that. And see, that water got hot real quick. That water got hot is 20 minutes, and I set it for 30 minutes. It's been 10 minutes into it already. So the water got hot in about 7 minutes. And just put it in just like that. And my daughter was telling me, oh, Dad, you know, this water boils faster than on the stove in the Power Exhale. Yeah, it works good. Just like that, we're gonna let that cook. Just like that with the top off and everything. But if you wanted to, you can also use the lid and put it on just like this and let it cook a little bit if it's boiling up and everything. And I'm gonna leave this lid off, though I was just showing you if you wanted to put it on. Okay, I'm gonna stir this up and everything. And also I want to say, if you're cooking a little oatmeal, you can use 2 cups of water in 1 cup of oatmeal. But since everyone's gonna be eating this oatmeal, I just use 4 cups of water. And look at that, 2 cups of oatmeal. Look how it's coming out, nice and good. And that's cooking it real good. And like I say, you could do a lot of things in the Power Exhale. And plus, in some of my comments, I just wanted to let you know that someone asked me, do I keep my Power Exhale plugged in when I get finished using it? No, I don't keep it plugged in because you never know what might go wrong with the electricity or anything, or might come on and everything. When I get through with it, I wash it, wipe it out, put it back in the box until I get ready to use it again. That way it's safe and it stay clean. So that's how I take care of my Power Exhale. Put it back in the box when I get through using it. And stir that up just like that. Look at it, it's coming out real good. Just easy, nice and good. Just move it just like that, back and forth. As you see, let me show you a spoon of it. And that's cooking oatmeal. This is cooking it nice and good. And this is gonna taste good too. Because if you cook it in microwave, sometimes it's stiff and everything, and you want it just right. You want it, that taste. And just like this. Like I say, it's healthy and it's good. And this oatmeal is almost done. Okay, I set it for 30 minutes. This oatmeal is done, so I'm gonna press cancel. And I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna put it in this bowl right here, because this oatmeal is done. And I'm gonna put it right here, in here. And sit this out to the side. There's a lot of heat coming up there. And sit it just like this. And I always like to sit mine to the side. And I'm just gonna put a little milk in there, like that. Add a little sugar. And we're gonna enjoy this, just like that. Just put a little sugar over it. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna take this banana and just put a little, cut this banana and just put a little banana right over it, just like this. Just like that. Put it, and that should be enough banana. And mix that up. Okay, I'm gonna taste this and see how it come out nice and good. Put it on the side. Put me a little in here, like this. And I'm gonna eat this oatmeal just good, like that. Put me a little banana in there and see how this tastes and everything. Mix it up. Get a little banana, a little everything in there. Like I say, this oatmeal get hot, so bear with me. And that oatmeal is good. Like I say, you can use 1 cup, 2 cups of water, or it depends on how much you're cooking in the Power XL. But this is the old-fashioned oatmeal cooked in the Power XL. And that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. Or if you don't know how to subscribe, you want to know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell. You are subscribed to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you.